Hi everyone! Happy Vishu to all my viewers and subscribers. Vishu is a celebrated festival in Kerala. So on this festival season, showing you all 3 types of paayasam recipes or kheer, whatever you call it. So let's start. Firstly, making dates and carrot paayasam. Here I am taking 2 carrots and chopping into chunks. Add this to a pan and add around 1 to 2 cups of water with a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Cook till the carrots are done. Now I'm taking 15 dates, remove the seed from it and chop it into small pieces. Now add this to a bigger vessel in which you are preparing the paayasam. Again adding 1 to 2 cups of water for cooking the dates. Just adding a tablespoon of sugar. You can avoid this step if you want to completely avoid sugar. Meanwhile, checking on the carrots. Now cook the dates till soft. Giving a mix to the dates in between. Now the carrots are cooked and let it cool down. Let some stock remain in it. Meanwhile, let's roast some chopped coconut, chopped cashews and raisins, roasting in 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Now the dates are soft enough. Just mashing it with a spoon. It doesn't matter if there are some chunks. The carrots have cooled down. Blending it along with the stock. You can add extra water for grinding. And it's ready. Then add this to the dates and mix well. Adding a 1/4 cup of water to the blender and adding it to the mixture. Then goes in 3 cups of warm milk. My cup measurement is 250 ml. Mix well and let it boil. Adding 2 tablespoons of ghee that I had used for roasting the nuts. Then add the roasted cashews, raisins and coconut. And your paayasam is ready. This serves around 5 to 6 glasses of paayasams. Garnish it with some roasted nuts and coconut. Next, making a mango Semiya paayasam. For this I have taken 2 very ripe mangoes. Adding the flesh of the mangoes into a blender. Adding 2 tablespoons of sugar and blending into a puree. Next, taking 1 cup of Semiya and breaking it down. Heat a vessel. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add the Semiya to it and roast till light brown in low flame. After it's roasted, add 2 cups of warm milk into this. You can add extra milk if you want a thinner consistency. Adding 1 tablespoon of sugar, mix and let the Semiya cook in the milk. Once the Semiya is cooked, add the mango puree to it and mix well. Adding some water to the blender and add it to the mixture. Then goes a teaspoon of cardamom powder and your paayasam is ready. Garnish with sliced almonds. This serves 4 to 5 glasses. Then making banana and rice dumpling paayasam. Firstly, making the rice dumplings. For this you need half cup rice flour. In the same cup, take water, that's half cup water. It depends on the quality of your rice flour. Maybe you will have to add an extra quarter cup of water. Keep the water for boiling, adding a pinch of salt. Once the water starts boiling, add half cup rice flour. Lower the flame and mix it. It becomes a crumbly texture. Now let it cool down for a few minutes. In a bowl, take some filtered water. Add the rice flour crumble to another large bowl and start kneading till you get a soft dough. When you feel the mixture is getting sticky on your hands, dip your hand in the filtered water and continue. Once it's well kneaded to a soft dough, roll it into thin strand and pinch to get a small dough. Again rolling it with your both hands and press lightly with your finger to get this shape. Continue till all the dough is used for making the dumplings. Now take a vessel, add around 2 to 3 cups of water. Once it starts boiling, add all the rice dumplings to it. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Here I am adding 1 tin of coconut milk. You can add freshly squeezed coconut milk for best results. Then adding 3 tablespoons of sugar and boil it for a few minutes. I'm just transferring to a bigger vessel because it was about to spill. Now adding 3 bananas cut into pieces. Here I've used Robusta banana that is locally available. You can add sweet plantains, that's the best to add in this. I didn't have it with me, so I added Robusta. Mix well and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now in another pan, adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, roasting some chopped cashews and raisins. Add this to the mixture. Finally adding a teaspoon of cardamom powder and the paayasam is ready now. Garnish with some roasted coconut pieces. This serves 5 to 6 glasses and it was my husband's favorite among the 3. Do try it out. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked my recipes. Do try it at home and let me know the feedback. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.